Service in Wilmington has issued a high wind warning from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Franklin, Licking, Madison, and Union. The high wind watch is no longer in effect. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. High winds may bring down trees and power lines. Lightweight objects such as trash cans and deck furniture should be secured. Be aware of crosswinds while driving, especially on bridges and overpasses, or if you are in a high-profile vehicle. Now for the...
Well, guys, we finally got weather alert this time. This time a high wind warning. So, guys, right here on Sunday, it's gonna be very, very windy. So, yeah, guys. And here, guys. Yeah, it's been a while. I had been not been getting any weather alerts because it's been reasonably quiet and nothing really happened right now. So yeah, guys. Alright, guys, please apply for more videos. With